everybody, welcome back. Today we're making Alfredo. To do that, we're going to take some cream, some garlic. To make it even worse for you, some butter. Even worse, Parmesan cheese, shredded fettuccine. We're going to do a blackened shrimp Alfredo. We'll obviously do that in a separate pan, and we'll cook our fettuccine in a separate pan. And as usual, I would like to welcome you back to Cooking with Corey. Let's get the sauce started here. We got half a tablespoon of butter. I got old Trusty out because he's got the big old bottom on it. He's good for reducing and stuff. So to this, obviously melted it. It's not a high heat, kind of like medium low. And to this, we're gonna do our garlic. 1 medium clove of garlic. And what we're going to do with this garlic is just take the rawness out of it and flavor that butter around it a little bit. And I will add just a smidge of kosher salt right now. Not a lot, because we obviously got Parmesan cheese going in here, and that's going to add a lot of saltiness. So we're going to let this go a little bit. We're back. Alright, I just wanted to say one thing. You got to make sure you keep this on low. You do not want to, you don't want your butter turning brown on you. I mean, you can use clarified butter with this and you wouldn't have to worry about it as much. It's got a higher smoke temp. This we don't. But like I said, the main thing is to take the rawness out of that garlic, flavor that butter, then we're going to add our cream. As you can see, we're getting there. Our garlic's starting to get a little brown to it. Butter's still nice, not brown yet, but the garlic's to where we need it to be. So right now, we will add 1 cup heavy cream. And now where the fun starts. This stuff will, as I told you in other videos, will overflow on you. So you need to be really careful with this and be diligent about the heat. And what we're going to do here is probably reduce this, not even a third, probably half a third. So we're going to take this down a little bit until it starts getting the right bubbles, starts getting the right consistency. Not even that, and then we're going to throw some cheese in there, and we'll finish it with butter. And I got 4 ounces of fettuccine that will go in here. That should be enough for 2 servings, and we'll top it off with our blackened shrimp. But here it goes. See how it likes to do that. So you need to keep an eye on your cream when it's reducing. It will just go everywhere. You will have one of the biggest messes you've ever had in your life. Just let it go. We're going to lower the heat just a smidge. It doesn't need to be going that crazy. But now, we're just going to reduce this. Like I said, not even a third. And add cheese. Add butter. Add the pasta, which I already cooked off. And obviously top it off with our blackened shrimp. We'll see you in a bit. Alright, we're getting close to adding the cheese to this. You see where it's starting to pull back pretty good. You can see we need to start adding some stuff. So to that, a third cup shredded Parmesan cheese. Incorporate that in there. Stir around, get it going in there. And to that, another tablespoon of butter, smidge more of salt. You can use white pepper here. I'm going to use just regular cracked pepper because I don't have issues with the white pepper or whatever. It's one of my things. So as you can tell, right here, you can see it. We've made a good sauce here. A good flavorful sauce. I'll give it a taste. It should be pretty close though, I would assume. Yeah, we're where we need to be there. Last thing you need to do here, the pasta we cooked off. Here it is, just wait, it's still warm. I dressed it with a little bit of butter after I drained it, just to keep it going. There we go. There. We will cook off the blackened shrimp here quick. I'll show you that, and we'll dress this plate. That's how easy one pan Alfredo is. Make it your own. We will be back to finish it off with some blackened shrimp. All right, guys. I seasoned the 1620s. These are decent sized shrimp with the blackening seasoning. We're just going to saute these off. You're in a medium pan here. Just with a little bit of smidge of olive oil in it. Maybe give it just a smidge more. But if you stir it off, these will top our pasta, which we still got working diligently over here. I'm just kind of keeping it warm. And we'll top this all off here in a sec. Alright, everybody, here it is. I topped it with the blackened shrimp. I topped it with a little bit more of the shredded Parmesan cheese, and I added a little bit of green for garnish. This is just a hot pepper out of the garden. But there you go. You get 2 servings out of that. Obviously, there's more pasta left, so enjoy. Make the recipe your own. There's a few out there like Matt and Kaylin. That's the recipe. Shiloh, that's the recipe. Dwayne, you know the recipe. So here we go. Enjoy it. Make it your own. I'll see you next time, guys. I appreciate it. Like, share, and subscribe.